Why I'm switching from HoneyBook to Dubsado. In this video, I'm going to compare the two most popular CRMs for creatives and explain why I love HoneyBook, but I now love Dubsado even more. Make sure you stick around to point number 6 to see why I'm making the switch this year. First off, let's talk about the basics. Both HoneyBook and Dubsado are all-in-one platforms designed to streamline your business processes. Basically, everything you need to run your business smoothly. When it comes to user interface, both platforms are very user-friendly. But in terms of aesthetics, I won't lie, I do prefer HoneyBook. But Dubsado is very comparable. Because my use for CRM is very involved with presenting my client with a visually appealing product, I need my proposals and client processes to stand out in terms of visual intrigue. This brings me to my next point, customization. One of the key factors in choosing a platform is customization. There are so many ways to use a CRM, so it is very important that you are able to easily customize the system to be highly effective for you. As far as client experience goes, your client will have a pretty similar experience no matter which CRM you go with. Of course, pricing is always a significant consideration. Dubsado stands out with its unlimited clients and projects, even in its basic plan. One thing I don't like about HoneyBook's pricing is that the more your business grows, the more HoneyBook charges you. You're gonna have to upgrade your plan or else you can't use HoneyBook anymore. Don't love that. Now, let's talk about client portals. Both platforms offer a client portal feature, but Dubsado's just makes so much more sense. If you're like me, you need your CRM to allow you to include other creatives to collaborate on your project as well as adding a client. This is what separates Dubsado from HoneyBook to me. HoneyBook does not let you send private messages to other creatives on your project. Everything that is posted on a HoneyBook project can and will be seen by everyone. I do not understand this. This is the main issue that made me urgently search for a new CRM. I've had complaints from planners that I've worked with and felt some moments of embarrassment where a client heard something they really did not need to hear or see, and I think it just creates a lot of confusion for the client specifically. There should be some way for the creative professionals to have clear and frank dialogue about the situation without including the client in the process. That just doesn't make sense to me. So in my opinion, this defeats the purpose of paying for an all-in-one platform to work on. So because of this, until HoneyBook changes their system and how this works, I will for now be recommending Dubsado. They're a great system, similar price. I would say actually even cheaper in terms of offering a better product for the same rate. Well, thanks for tuning in. If you have used HoneyBook or Dubsado, please let us know in the comments below. I would love to hear your thoughts. And for you guys, I got links so that you can try both. So HoneyBook has a short trial period. I can't remember what it is off the top of my head, but Dubsado's is unlimited. So I'll link those as well. But yeah, let me know which one works better, and I'm excited for you, and I hope that this takes your business to the next level. Thanks for watching.